To quote Annie, yes, Broadway Annie, you're never fully dressed without a smile. But we're not just talking about your teeth here. We're talking about your presence. Because in business, the way you show up, physically, energetically, and emotionally, matters. And while business casual may be the norm, most folks are still confused about what that actually means. So let's dissect it. Let's start with what's actually noticed first, your energy. Before anyone sees your shoes, they feel your vibe. Do you smile? Do you make eye contact? Are you warm and present or distracted and scanning the room? That first impression starts the second you walk through the door. So take a breath, stand tall, and channel positive, can-do energy. That's the most memorable asset you've got. I used to network with a woman who showed up in a mood every single week. And it was such a drag, let me tell you. You could just feel the energy getting sucked out of the room every time she showed up. Head down, frumpy attitude, terrible posture, always sighing if it was terribly taxing just to have even shown up. Wrong presentation, despite a very nice, probably pricey wardrobe. She didn't last long because who would refer to someone like that? Now, business casual is not the same as sloppy chic. It's polished without being rigid. Here's what that might look like. For women, a tailored blouse or a knit top, a blazer or cardigan, clean trousers or midi skirt, flats, loafers, low heels. For men, a collared shirt or polo, optional blazer, pressed slacks or khakis, clean shoes, and yes, always better to slightly overdress than underdress. Avoid wearing anything you'd wear to the gym, the beach, or on the opposite spectrum, to go out clubbing. 4-inch heels and a leather miniskirt might garner some attention, but trust me when I tell you that's the wrong kind of attention for a credibility builder. So here are 5 quick Maven rules to keep in your pocket before your next networking meeting or event. 1. Smile and make eye contact. It signals confidence and approachability. 2. Put your phone away. Nothing kills connection faster than scrolling. 3. Don't hide in the corner. Greet the host. Introduce yourself. You're going to have to be extroverted here. 4. Watch your posture. Shoulders back, chin up, own your space. 5. Dress 1 notch above the room. Always aim to elevate, not blend in. You don't need a power suit to make a power move, but you do need to be intentional. You are your brand, so show up accordingly. And just like Annie said, that smile, it goes with everything. But don't stop here. If you're serious about stepping up and standing out, go watch our latest episodes. Visit, and visit some more, which is how to navigate your first networking events like a pro, and making sure your elevator pitch doesn't land you in the basement, which is about crafting a pitch that connects. Because as you now know, networking isn't optional, it's essential. If this episode resonated, then you're going to love the next one, Networking Essentials, how to have a mutually beneficial one-to-one. Make every coffee chat a catalyst. Subscribe now and join us. We'll see you there.